Blackberry, high in antioxidants and vitamin C, supports immune defense and skin health, helps reduce inflammation in the body, good for brain function and memory. Fiber improves digestion, great for anti-aging and cellular repair. Blueberry, extremely rich in antioxidants, excellent for brain and memory support, helps lower oxidative stress, supports heart and blood vessels, improves insulin sensitivity, one of the best fruits for longevity. Cherry, contains anti-inflammatory compounds, supports joint and muscle recovery, may help improve sleep quality, good for heart and circulation, helps reduce exercise soreness, great for athletes and recovery diets. Coconut, provides healthy fats and electrolytes, supports hydration and energy, good for brain fuel, MCTs, helps skin and hair health, improves digestion through fiber, excellent for quick natural hydration.